झाडां आनी कोणाक खबर ना. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंटाक खबर आसा की ना ही झाडां कापून वतात की ना, परमिशन कोण दिता कितें. हो मुद्दो पळय आसा तो आमी आतां खूब म्हयने जाले, 7-8 म्हयने जाले. ताच्या पयलीं मिस मेनका जी आसा, मेंबर सेक्रेटरी ऑफ अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट, हिजे कडेन हो मुद्दो काडिल्लो आमी. प्लीज कन्फर्म विथ हर. And we were assured in front of Mr. Rahul Deshpande, who is the architect of this place, what is happening here. We were given full assurance that these trees would not be cut. आमी सामके पॉयंट केल्ले ही हें झाड आनी जी बाकीची झाडां आसा ती. सो म्हाका इन्फॉर्मेशन दी म्हणून सांगिल्लें हांवें. अमेझिंगली it is funny that I did not get the information when the other 2 trees or something were cut, and that has really pained me. Okay, and pained all these people who are here, who care about Goa and who have come for their trees, for their environment. And दुसरी गोष्ट, आज सकाळी म्हाका जस्ट लँडेड इन गोवा आनी म्हाका फोन येता, दे ऑलरेडी कटिंग द ट्रीज म्हणून. सो that phone came from Miss Sanchita Banerjee, and I was like, why was I not informed before, you know? And then I started calling everybody. I want to tell, I want to tell the heads of the governments, whatever, कि तुम्ही never forget that you are of the people, by the people, for the people. मात सुद्दां आमच्या सारकी मनशां जी सगळें आमचें सोडून रेडी आसा हांगा जीव घालपाक आमच्या झाडां खातीर, हे सदांच हे हेरिटेज, सी दीस पर्सन, ही इज गिवींग हीज लायफ फॉर हेरिटेज. देर इज अ लेडी हियर हू मिस, शी इज ऑल्सो गिवींग ऑल हर टायम फॉर दीस थिंग्स विच आर सेविंग गोवा. एंड वी वॉन्ट कंप्लीट एंड वी एक्सपेक्ट कंप्लीट कोऑपरेशन फ्रॉम यू ऑल. Now we are getting angry, and I expect the cooperation because I am seeing today, if you go to see, there's a letter today brought by Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Honorable CM. Today, I've got the letter with me. Where is my phone? I've got the letter with me saying to Mr. Praveen Zatiye that we want to plant many more trees. We want a green cover, and I'll show you that letter. Now, if that letter has, Mr. Swapnil Acharya sent this on my Facebook today. Okay, so because I said Panji might save the trees around. Now, if he's saying save, then we believe that he will save these trees. We believe, and we want to see that happening. Just because गोंयकार ओगी आसात, 4 बोडकां आमी येता, हाजो अर्थ न्ही की आमी आमचो जीव दिवची ना ह्या कारणा खातीर. आनी हांव इतलेंय सांगता, जे पळय भायर आमचे रस्ते पळय आसा आनी रस्त्यांचेर जे कटिंग जाता ट्रीज, ते हांव तांकां सदांच रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुमी ते उखलून रिप्लांट करात म्हणून. पूण थंय इफ देर इज डेव्हलपमेंट हॅपनिंग वेर माय गोवन्स विल नॉट लीव गोवा बिकॉज गोवा इज गोइंग टू डू वेल इन लायफ, आय वूड कन्सिडर इट. बट दीस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. I'm very sorry, this is not acceptable. You build any complex which is beyond the road, it is very, very important that you build the building around the tree.
And it is not affecting or obstructing any traffic. Otherwise they usually give the reason that is obstructing traffic, affecting traffic, and all this, it will fall on somebody's head. These trees are not affecting. Now that tree which is cut, they want to put up a toilet over there. Now even if they want to put up a toilet, why cut that tree? It is already cut. Here there is another tree which was cut. Now this is a mango tree, this is being cut, and there is a danger to that tree also. So these trees are not affecting anywhere. They lend beauty to the place. If in the name of smart city our heritage is going to be destroyed, then what is the purpose of the smart city? So here they are going to put up some garden, and this thing for what? For the crematorium and Kabristan garden, for that. So we will not allow. In the morning Madam Hema Sardesai gave me a call, so we came here, and we now we are all agitated because this tree, at least this tree we want to save. We will not allow them to cut this one and that one and whatever is left here. Already we have lost 2 trees, and this is very.
There are those trees also there.
Yeah,
we
those
want to
trees
save
also.
them.
Yeah.
These trees are years watching our
yes.
heritage, watching the whole of Goa
Very.
work its way out. We people will die and go, but our generations need to see these trees. They are a witness to all that is happening in Goa. How can only we feel? And isn't it a government who's supposed to worry about this? So let me see our government now worrying about this very seriously. This is now serious. Enough is enough.
We are sending a strong message from this agitation that we do not want cutting of trees anywhere. We want this arboreal heritage of Goa because tourists come here to see the greenery of Goa, and we find that the trees are being cut, hills are being cut. That has to stop. I would request Madam Patricia Pinto to speak on this.
Trees. In fact, I think for any development, trees should be a part of that development. You can't call development just concrete, but that's what's in their head. Just concrete and lawn and a few flowers here and there, which they don't water afterwards because there's no maintenance after that. So that's what they call development. We need trees. Trees is what gives us shade. Trees is what gives us everything. And today everybody complains of heat. And they're not worried. They keep on cutting it. In fact, in the morning when I got the message, I tried to phone the Mr. Rahul Deshpande. And he said, I'm sorry, I cannot take your call. So probably he was at a meeting. I don't know. So I sent him a message. I sent him a message saying that trees are being cut in the crematorium. Can't you have your development plan modified so that it incorporates trees? Till now, I did not get a reply from him. I phoned the deputy mayor and the mayor asking what are they doing about this. So the mayor tells me that we are not doing it. It's G Suda. Now the CCP is the Badkar here. The crematorium, the cemeteries and everything belongs to the CCP. If you want permission, it is the CCP. G Suda may be only the developing authority, the contractor or the one who's giving money. Doesn't mean that you've given the whole plot to them and you've got no say in the matter. So I think it is the CCP who should be responsible for this. And I would request the mayor and the deputy mayor, the councillors, everybody, please protect these trees. We are not going to allow them to be cut. And I think you have to assert your responsibility. Don't just give up the land to somebody saying they are doing it, let them do what they want. This is nonsense. So I would really request the CCP to take charge of this. I would request the Mr. Rahul Deshpande. You are developing, but this is not development. This is destruction. If you are developing, incorporate the trees within your complex. Citizens have started on the 5th of June, World Environment Day. Goa for Giving and another group called Think Panjim. They had this plantation drive and they said, million trees, a million people. Each one should plant one tree. The mayor and the deputy mayor were the chief guests and they also agreed, million trees, million people. But here I find it's minus one tree. So instead of getting more trees, we are reducing the amount of trees. So I would strongly request the mayor and deputy mayor, I'm not even talking about the government. For me, they are not directly responsible to the people. It is the corporation that is directly responsible to us. So I think they should see that nobody touches these trees. We are not going to allow it. Thank you.
दोन ऑलरेडी ट्रीज कट केले तेजे तुम्ही कितें एक्शन एफआयआर कितें फायल करतली
हय आमकां फायल करपा जाय एफआयआर फायल करपा जाय म्हजें प्रॉब्लम कितें आसा हांगा जाणा जेन्ना आमी एक्टिविस्ट मेळटा न्ही तेन्ना एक फाल्स म्हणून एक्टिविस्टूय आसता म्हाका हांगा फाल्सपणां नाका कांय की मागीर म्हणून वचून सांगपाक की हांगा नाटक चल्लेलें म्हणून हांगा नाटक चलना आमी केन्ना नाटक करिना आमकां गरज ना नाटक करपाक कळ्ळें न्ही हां आमकां पब्लिसिटीची गरज ना हे देशा ल्हान आसतना पसून हांगा आसा आमकां पब्लिसिटीची गरज ना आमी हांगा येता आमचो जीव घालपाक हांगा गोंया खातीर आमकां टिकीट नाका आमकां इलेक्शनान कांय इंट्रस्ट ना आमकां कसलोच आमी कोणाचें खावना आनी कोणाचें पळोवंक ना आमची झाडां वाचयात बस दॅट्स इट पिरियड दुसरी गोश्ट हांगा झाडां आसा हांगा टॉयलेट येता खंय वो दुसरो मुद्दो ओके हांगा टॉयलेट येता देर इज अ एनिमल शेल्टर हियर ओके आनी हे एनिमल शेल्टराक हांव आतां जाले 8 म्हयने हांगा थंय वचून प्रत्येक ऑथॉरिटी कडेन तकली आपटिता की ह्या घाणीन तांकां दवरूं नाका म्हणून म्हणजे कित्याक आयकप जायना हांगा कित्याक आयकप जायना हेमा सरदेसाय जर जे आयकनात दुसऱ्यांचे कितें आयकतले हे लोक हां जे हांव म्हणटा जीव घालून हांव येता न्ही गोंय आसा थंयच्यान येता खंय जगान आसा थंयच्यान येता दुसरे आपले करता हो पळय जीव घालयता आपलो ते एक जीव घालयता आपलो काय ना अर्थ आमकां काय ना अर्थ हां ती जनावरां आवी ह्युमन बिईंग्स these animals are dying here with this rot here 8 months I'm slogging from one department to the other I could have gone to the top authorities and said hello it's me speaking I don't do those dramas people should hear here I don't do dramas don't try to tell me that I do dramas we never do dramas because we've not seen and eaten of anybody's I'm tired and sick of this that every time I have to come out here and speak what are we voting you guys are for I expect and I believe that our Honorable CM is going to take full cognizance of this. I'm giving them the full belief that they will do it, and I'm waiting for this to be done.
There is one young girl here, Cameron.
Disappointing to see that these. My name is Cameron Menezes. It's very disappointing to see that these trees are being cut down. It's very, if you Google pictures of Goa, then you will see only greenery. And now, when you look around, there are only concrete jungles. And the reason of this very hot climate now is because these trees are being cut down. And in a few years, if we don't do anything about it, the world will definitely end.
I'm Aversino Miranda, coordinator of Goa Green Brigade. Today I messaged the principal chief conservator of forest that Goa Green Brigade members want to meet him and apprise him what's happening in all over Panjim, other parts of Goa. Because we have been fighting against cutting of these age-old trees. Even in Kolwale, Giri, if you see, there's tremendous damage being caused. And here again they are trying to cut the trees. What right do they have? When they're not planting the trees, what right do they have to cut the trees? So our request to the authorities concerned is, please stop this carnage. This is not acceptable to anybody, because they are not planting trees and they have no right to cut the trees. Even if you plant the trees, you have no right to cut the trees. So why are they cutting these trees? These are our lungs. This is our survival. You see the rate of cancer going up in Goa. It's because we are not having clean air. Everything is polluted. Everything is destroyed. Our food chain is polluted. Our waters are polluted. Our airs are polluted. And they were keeping on destroying our environment. What kind of people they are having? Senseless people who don't care for our earth, who don't care for our environment. Trees are very much an important part of the environment. We need to save them, and we will come and protest again if they touch the trees, they cut the trees. We will protest against those individuals or officials who are